We're looking at the 1936 Cord 810 Westchester Sedan, a Gordon Buick styling masterpiece with front wheel drive and hidden headlights and a spectacular looking car. Now this car, although it is complete, it has original sheet metal and it's solid, and it does need to be restored. There's no question about it. It sat for 20 years, and although the engine does spin when you hit the starter, the cylinder heads are bad. So it needs heads for sure, probably needs the engine rebuilt. And so it's a good, complete, decent, and restorable car. And we've got an extra roll of upholstery material. We have a few, moth damages there. But it's really a decent car. The dashboards on these cars are really great. We've got speedometer, we've got tachometer, there's the tachometer, oil pressure, clock, amp meter. There's the radio knobs over there, and it does have the radio in it. And it's the combo fuel and oil gauge. You push that button down there to choose. And then temperature over there. And of course the famous pre-selector shifter. Got a good headliner. And knobs and everything. So it's all pretty decent shape in here. Here's a shot of the engine, 288 cubic inch V8. That is Cord engine right there. Original Stromberg carburetor, correct distributor, water pump, horns, air cleaner, all that stuff. There is the transmission shifter mechanism. And here's the other side. It does rotate. You can hit the starter and it will crank. The cylinder heads and water necks are bad. They have corroded. Will need to be replaced. Another view of the interior. I mean, it was nicely done in wool broadcloth, and there is some extra material that can be used to repair a couple of areas. There's the back. Now there's another area. The doors fit and shut nicely. So that's a positive. I think the condition of the body of this car is very good. So it just needs an enthusiastic new owner to... Nice. So inside the trunk we have the carpeting. It's a small trunk, that's why they eventually went to the bustle back, but the Westchester just looks better. And if you look real close in there, you can see it is the Cord wheel, so that's good. Well, the car sat since about the year 2003 or so, and picked up some moisture. It was stored indoors, but in an environment where it got some environment moisture. So we've got these little marks, looks like lacquer paint, and so these are all over. The car would certainly have to be painted.